Bored of plain desserts? Spice things up with a delicious Oreo milkshake. Here's how to make this creamy, dreamy delight. Start by grabbing a handful of Oreo cookies and crushing them into fine pieces. Next, place the Oreo crumbles into a blender. Add 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream for that rich, creamy texture. Now pour in a cup of milk. Use any variety you prefer, regular, almond, or oat milk, all work great. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle in some chocolate syrup. Time for the magic. Blend the mixture until it's smooth and creamy. Once blended, pour the milkshake into a tall glass. To make it truly special, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, sprinkle some extra Oreo crumbs on top, and garnish with a whole Oreo for the ultimate wow factor. There you have it, the ultimate Oreo milkshake. Perfect for satisfying any dessert craving. Try it out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Enjoy every sip.